Captain Tom, and he's going to reveal some of his striper secrets to us as we have a chat. Now, I'm sure that you want to have and catch bigger stripers, and he's going to tell us a few more ways that we might understand how stripers are. It doesn't matter whether you're on the beach alone surf casting in your own little world, or if you're out on a boat with a group of your buddies having a grand old time. Meet Captain Tom. He's going to help us discover how to find and catch more and larger stripers. I'm sure that's what you'd like to do too. And his boat is the Grand Slam. He has over 20 years experience on his boat and another 10 years fishing. So over 30 years experience, and he's got a wealth of knowledge behind him. He'll teach us things about the right way to do catch and release. So if you want to find out a few more secrets to help you catch more fish, go to hangoutwithann.com/event-registration -2. And we'll see you on the other side. So go there and enter your name and email, and we'll see you soon. Tight lines to you.